Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from Deliveroo as a rider. First, open the Deliveroo Rider app and go to the earnings section. Tap on your available balance. If you want your money instantly, select cash out. Deliveroo will send the money to your bank right away for a small fee. If you don't use cash out, no problem. Your earnings will be paid automatically through a free bank transfer, usually on Tuesdays or based on your local payment cycle. Just make sure your bank details are correct in the app. And that's it. That's how to withdraw money from Deliveroo as a rider. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.